Okay, tingnan nga po natin itong viral video ngayon ni Marcoleta at nitong si Senator Loren Legarda. Yo, what's up guys? Kamusta po mga kababayan sa lahat po ng mga solid sangkay na nanunood ngayon? At ito nga po, pag-usapan po natin itong si Marcoleta at saka si Loren Legarda. Kasi may nangyari, no? Na harapan nila mga sangkay sa isang hearing. At ngayon, binagsakan po si Marcoleta ng medyo mabigat daw po na salita. At ngayon nga mga sangkay, ito, titingnan po natin itong kanyang mga pahayag. Kasi nga po, marami po ang nagsasabi, di umano, na pinahiya nga raw po si Marcoleta ni Loren Legarda. Alam naman po natin na itong si Loren Legarda ay napakatalino po niyan. At itong usapin ay patungkol po ito sa West Philippine Sea at ito pong Kalayaan Island. Ngayon, bigla daw pong nilekturan, no? Nilekturan daw po
Dapat
ni Loren Legarda ito. Gusto ko ipakita sa inyo kaya nahanap ko po muna eh. Teka lang hanapin po natin yung kabuuhan talaga eh. Ayan, ito. Kasi nilekturan daw po eh. Ito. Medyo mahaba to eh.
So,
Okay. Maraming video ang kumalat. Ito, pakita ko po sa inyo. Ayan. Hindi po yan. Ayan, ito po yung isa sa mga video. Tingnan natin.
kayo po, it's never too late to take up GSC. It's never too late to take Masters in National Security.
provided
Pati ka na abogado na kayo.
provided they will exclude the Thomas Cloma issue.
Totoo naman yun Hindi,
Hindi, wala pala sa. The general already confirmed it to me.
it may not be the classes, but it's historical fact.
O ngayon, ito. Viral po ito mga sangkay. Senator Legarda, who holds a master's degree in National Security Administration, tells Senator Rodante Marcoleta that he should pursue postgraduate studies in national security after he questioned the historical account that Filipino Thomas Cloma discovered the Kalayaan Island Group, as earlier cited by Senate President pro tempore Panfilo Lacson. Kaya sabi po dito mga sangkay ni Legarda, it's not too late to take up GSC or General Staff Corps. Ito.
So, kayo po, it's never too late to take up GSC. It's never too late to take Masters in National Security.
Provided
Pati ka na abogado na kayo.
provided they will exclude the Thomas Cloma
Ang sama ng mukha ni Marcoleta eh.
issue.
Totoo naman yun Hindi,
Hindi, wala pala sa. The general already confirmed it to me.
it may not be the classes, but
Okay, ngayon, panoorin mo natin yung buo. Kasi nilecturean daw eh. Maganda tong tingnan mga sangkay. Ito yung buo. Okay, ito.
kayo po, it's never too late to take up GSC. It's never too late to take Masters in National Security.
Provided
Pati ka na abogado na kayo.
provided sinabi kasi ni Senator Ping doon as the one who discovered allegedly the Spratly Islands. He turned over it to the Philippine government. Then he said that President Marcos Sr. formalized that turnover. Yun ba yung part ng course? Is the syllabus really very clear on this? That Thomas Cloma discovered the Spratly Islands and it was turned over to the Philippine government because he was the one who discovered it. Yun ba yung history na pinag-aaralan dito sa Command and General Staff Course? Kasi ito yung kinuwento ni Senator Ping. And it seems to me that Captain Pilar, who represented the 34 members of the armed forces, confirmed that. I just want to confirm now before you kung talagang ito yung tinuturo sa course na ito.
Para sa pamilya, lahat
Okay. May ads. So, dito din mga sanggay, nagsorry po itong si Marcoleta, no? Sa kanyang mga naging pahayag. Ayan po, klinaro po ni... Ito. Hindi pala nagsorry. Nilinaw ni Marcoleta ang kanyang pahayag sa issue ng Kalayaan Island. Kasi dito nga po na iipit na siya. No, ang dami na pong nagsasalita laban sa kanya. Na bakit ganun, kumakampi ka sa China, bakit hindi ka dapat sa Pilipinas ka eh, 'di ba? So ito na, mga sanggay.
Good morning to our distinguished senator.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
I may be allowed to respond, sir, if the statement came from the AFP Command and General Staff College, I believe.
No, this is statement came from Senator Ping. That's why I'm trying to clarify and have it confirm kung totoo ito na ito ang itinuturo. Kasi sabi nung captain, he took this course in Camp Crame. Sabi ni Senator Ping, when he took this course in 1983, he took it in Fort Bonifacio. So nagkakaalaman sila about this course. But I'm talking about Tomas Cloma. Ito ba yung tinuturo sa course na siya nag-discover and he turned over it to the government of the Philippines?
If I may, the General and Staff College, GSC, which I also took, is a different college from the National Defense College of the Philippines. It is the GSC represented here. Yes, perhaps Senator Marcoleta, if the statement made to your honor was sa GSC, maybe the GSC would be in a better position to answer if this basic information on the Spratlys is being taught.
Yes, that is better, Madam Chair,
Yes,
because I
rather
thought
than
that the
Iba po yung National Defense
baka
College.
akala ko kasama rin doon
Iba
sa
po yung
Ito na tinuturuan na po ni Senator Loren Legarda si Marcoleta.
General Staff College, although parehong alma mater ko. But may I, hindi sa ayaw ko pagsalitain ng ating Presidente ng NDCP, pero sabi nyo, GSC ang nagtuturo niyan. Nung panahon ko, ba't hindi tinuro sa akin yan? Kasi alam ko na yun eh. So anyway, pakisagot po. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Good morning, Your Honor. For the CGSC class, we only have 7 modules, and we are not aware that if this history is being taught of that included in the module. Our module only consists of international security and military strategies, leadership and resources management, contemporary security challenges, strategic communication, OPART, and joint and combined operations.
So let me be clarified. Anong pangalan niya?
Ron,
Hindi ko po makita yung pangalan niyo. Will you please identify yourself?
Brigadier General Alexander Gigantone, sir.
General information. Thank you, ma'am.
yes. Did I give you enough time?
Yes, ma'am, and thank you very much for the time.
Yes, I'm sorry I had to take a call because I wanted to give the time to my colleague to clarify certain statements. I apologize, I did not hear what you said, but whatever he says is what he says.
You'll be able to read what I said anyway, madam.
I will
Also,
read
transcript.
the transcript of records and whatever clarification the good senator has said, I would suggest that you state it in plenary so that it is in record in the plenary session, whatever it has. Then we proceed with our bills.
Thank you.
So kayo po, it's never too late to take up GSC.
Ito na, mga sanggay, ito na pala yun.
It's never too late to take masters in national security.
Provided
Maski nakapatikan na abogado na kayo.
provided they will exclude the Thomas Cloma issue.
Bakit? Totoo naman yun ah.
Hindi, wala pala sa... The general already confirmed it to me.
It may not be the classes, but it's historical facts. In fact, sino ang bihasa? Who can give us the historical perspective of the Spratlys? Because when I was a young journalist in the 80s, anong taon yon? Thomas Cloma interview ko. Google him. Tanong mo kay Jane, ngayon na. Eh, kanino ko po sinabi 30 minutes ago eh. In-interview ko po si Thomas Cloma sa bahay niya sa Quezon City. Tawagan si Rizabel Cloma. Yung apo niyang si Rizabel, nandun. But retired na si Rizabel. That was like, I was in my 20s. And I interviewed Thomas Cloma. And we talked about the Spratlys in the 80s. And then, fast forward 1992, I took up my master's in national security at 32 years old.
Oh, ayan mga sangkay. Kaya ganun po siya katalino pagdating po dyan. Kasi nga po mga sangkay, hindi po basta-basta yung mga pinag-aralan niya eh. Nagkaroon po siya ng master's degree pagdating po sa National Security Administration. Itong si Senator Loren Legarda. Kaya sinabi niya, hindi, may oras ka pa para mag-aral tungkol dyan. So, pinanood natin yung video, mga sangkay, alagpas sa ano. Alam niyo, pag media lang kasi talaga yung mapapanood nyo. Parang ang dating, pinahiya ni Loren Legarda si Senator Rodante Marcoleta. Pero, ito hindi po bias Hindi po bias. Wala naman pala. Hindi naman pala ganun katindi. No? Na, tinuruan lang niya. Kumbaga, para mas malaman mo yung kabuuan ng kwento, pag-aralan mo to. Kaya nasabi niya, it's never too late to take up GSC. No? It's never too late to take masters in national security. Alright? Pero ayun na nga po mga sangkay. Siguro nasabi po yun ni Senator Loren Legarda kasi nga po nandito po tayo sa usapin ng national security. No, ito po yung pinapasok kasi ni Rodante Marcoleta, lalong-lalo na po pagdating po sa kasaysayan ng Spratlys Island, West Philippine Sea, South China Sea, no? So gusto niyang malaman po ni Rodante Marcoleta kung ano talaga to. Alright, so ano po ang inyong opinion? Comment down below. Meron tayong YouTube channel, ito po ay Sangkay Revelation. Hanapin niyo po ito ngayon sa YouTube. Kapag nakita niyo na, i-click niyo po yung subscribe, i-click ang bell, at i-click niyo po yung all. Ako na po ay magpapaalam, mag-iingat pong lahat. God bless everyone.